Make Money, Lecture 1. Introduction to Making Money from Photos. Note number 1. You can make money directly from the link in the description or the pinned comment by selling your photos online. Try it and see how much money you can really make. Note number 2. There is also a fun quiz to test your knowledge about the lecture presented here today. This is only for fun and the answers are in the description or the pinned comment. Please leave a like and subscribe for more lectures like this on YouTube. Please enjoy the lecture as this is only lecture 1 and there will be more coming. Now on to the lecture. Lecture 1. Introduction to Making Money from Photography. Are you passionate about photography? Do you have a collection of stunning photos that you believe could earn you money? If yes, then this lecture is for you. In today's digital age, the demand for high-quality photos is growing, and photographers have many opportunities to monetize their skills and photos. In this lecture, we'll discuss the different ways photographers can make money, the different paths they can take, the growing demand for photos in today's society, and the importance of stock photography websites in the industry. Different ways to make money from photography. Photography is a versatile profession that offers many ways to earn money. Some of the most common ways to monetize your photos are freelance work. As a freelance photographer, you can work with clients on a project-by-project basis. This could involve taking photos for events, such as weddings or corporate events, or providing commercial photography services, such as product or food photography. Stock photography. Stock photography is a way of licensing your photos to clients, such as bloggers, publishers, or advertisers. You can upload your photos to stock photography websites, where clients can browse and purchase them. Some popular stock photography websites include Shutterstock, iStock, Getty Images, and Adobe Stock. Starting your own business. As a photography business owner, you have more control over your work and can set your prices. You can offer a range of photography services, such as portrait, wedding, or commercial photography. 1.2 different paths to make money from photography. Depending on your goals, interests, and skills, you can take different paths to make money from photography. Some of the most common paths are full-time photographer. As a full-time photographer, you can dedicate all your time and energy to building your business, growing your skills, and making a living from photography. Part-time photographer. If you're not ready to commit to full-time photography, you can start by taking on photography gigs on the side. This could involve shooting photos on weekends or after work. Hobbyist photographer. If you're not interested in making photography your full-time career, you can still earn money from your hobby. You can sell your photos online or enter photography contests. 1.3 The growing demand for photos in today's society. In today's digital age, photos are more important than ever before. Photos are used in social media, online marketing, e-commerce, and many other industries. This growing demand for photos means that photographers have many opportunities to monetize their skills and photos. As technology continues to advance, the demand for high-quality photos is only going to increase. 1.4 The importance of stock photography websites. Stock photography websites have become an essential part of the photography industry. They offer a platform for photographers to sell their photos to a global audience, and they provide clients with a vast selection of high-quality images to choose from. By uploading your photos to stock photography websites, you can reach a wider audience, increase your exposure, and earn money from your photos while retaining the rights to them. Some popular stock photography websites include Shutterstock, iStock, Getty Images, and Adobe Stock. Quiz questions. 1. What are the different ways photographers can make money? A. Freelance work. B. Stock photography. C. Starting your own business. D. All of the above. 2. What are the different paths photographers can take to make money? A. Full-time photographer. B. Part-time photographer. C. Hobbyist photographer. D. All of the above. 3. Why is there a growing demand for photos in today's society? A. Photos are used in social media. B. Photos are used in online marketing. C. Photos are used in e-commerce. D. All of the above. In conclusion, photography is a lucrative career that can offer you many opportunities to showcase your creative skills and earn money from your passion. Whether you choose to pursue full-time or part-time photography, stock photography, or starting your own photography business, there are plenty of paths to explore. Stock photography websites are an excellent way to showcase and sell your photos to a global audience. By uploading your photos to popular stock photography websites like Shutterstock, iStock, Getty Images, or Adobe Stock, you can earn a passive income while retaining the rights to your images. You can also reach out to clients directly, either by creating a website or by reaching out to potential clients through social media or cold emailing. However, as with any profession, photography requires hard work, persistence, and creativity. The more you practice and hone your skills, the better you'll become, and the more opportunities you'll have to earn money from your photography. In the next lecture, we will take a closer look at freelance photography, including tips on how to get started, how to build your portfolio, and how to price your services. Remember, you can make money directly from the link in the description or the pinned comment by selling your photos. Also check out the answers for the quiz in the description or the pinned comment. Please like and subscribe, as we add much more content each week.